Hey you guys, so I am on the third day of here in Tucson, Arizona. So it is the third day of modeling and it has been pretty darn crazy. So it's just been kind of really long days. I've been working like 10, 12-hour days the last 2 days, and today is only an 11-hour day, but that's just why it's just been so crazy. They're just super long days, and I thought I got a break today, but I do not, because I have to get ready for the next show. So I have to take all of my makeup off, and then I have to start doing hair and makeup again at 2 p.m. all the way until 4 p.m. and then I am scheduled 4 to 7 p.m. So it's kind of another long day, you guys. But yeah, this is the makeup look they have for me. It's kind of like a 20s vibe going on. So I have my hair that was curled from yesterday, and they just kind of brushed it out and then they pinned it. And then for my eyes, they kind of did kind of like a gold greenish look for it. So kind of look like a cute leprechaun, kind of love it. But anyway, yeah, I'm doing jewelry again today. I will show you my dress. Kind of matches my makeup, just has some gold and green in it. But it's been going pretty well. The only thing that I will say about it is that the early mornings and the really long days just kind of been getting to me. I'm getting kind of tired. But nonetheless, honestly, it's been such a blessing to be here. Again, this is kind of like my first trip I've ever been on, besides the one when I was 18. I was like flown to Mexico and did like runway shows there. And this is my like second kind of like paid trip to go somewhere. So anyway, you guys, I will show you a better kind of angle of what my dress looks like. Right now I just have sweatpants on under it because I don't want to take them off until the last possible moment. So I'm gonna get going down to the spot where we're modeling at today, and then I will finally get like my shoes on, my proper shoes on, and these sweatpants off. But anyway, hope you guys really enjoy this video. And yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me throughout this just kind of craziness of the last couple of days.
We feel good, real good, feel good. You make me feel good just the way that I should. You make me feel good. You feel good, real good, feel good. I'll make you feel good just the way that I should. I'll make you feel good, real good, feel good. I'll make you feel good just the way that I should.
Hello you guys, so today is the last day of my time here in Arizona, and I just wanted to show you guys just some of my hair and makeup. Kind of a natural look today, so my hair was just straight. I think everyone's just kind of tired by the end of this kind of long weekend, and so they just kind of did my hair and makeup kind of natural. And then I have this top on, and then this nice kind of boho-y skirt. I'll be changing my shoes, I just haven't yet because I need to walk down there from my hotel room. Also, I have leggings on because it is early and it is colder than you think in the morning in Arizona. So got that going on. Sorry my room is so messy. It's just been such a long day. I model till 7 p.m. and it just gets to be a long day. So I just kind of wake up and I roll out of bed and then I just kind of do hair and makeup. But this is basically the last day of it. I think this looks a little frumpy, so I might ask him if I can tuck it in or something like that. But that's kind of it, you guys. Ooh, I'm excited. It's the last day, and today is the earliest day I get off. I get off at 5 p.m., which is amazing, and I think they do that because, I don't know if it's just because it's the last day or because it's the Super Bowl tonight. Anyway, so close to being done. After all of this, I will say it is such a blast and such an honor, and it's so fun to do things like this, but it's really tiring, and I don't think people realize that. Like, you're just always on. And it's cool to get your own hotel room. It's cool to kind of travel and have someone pay for your plane ticket and all this stuff, and like free food and Starbucks coffee all the time. But honestly, like, it really gets really draining very quickly. But anyway, wanted to share with you guys my kind of last look. Actually, I have one more look after this. They're dressing me up in something else after this, but I might not get a chance to come up to my room again. So anyway, I will catch you guys later.
I just wanna live and let go and just lose control. Just lose control. It'll be alright, this I know. Deep in my soul. I just wanna live and let go.
Hey guys, so I am back in Minnesota and I am just in my room. I'm about to film the Skims kind of shapewear unboxing. But thank you guys for coming on this kind of journey with me of going to Arizona and coming back. I mean, it's just been such a blessing and it's so fun and so awesome. But yeah, you guys, if you really like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and please subscribe and hit that little bell button so you can stay up to date with any other videos that I come out with. This video of the Skims unboxing should be up a little bit after this video goes up, I think. If not, I will leave it linked up above for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and watch that. But I'm gonna end this vlog here, you guys. Again, thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.